Good morning, guys. Just a quick update. Just wanted to show how we here at the Gold FX Trader Club share information with our clients ahead of price action. You'll see that this is yesterday's group communications, so 2nd of August, and this is all GMT London time in the morning, so well before the moves happened. So we saw Asia touch 1780. A lot of people would have hit sales during Asia or early London, thinking that this is it, this is a major move, or people would have got trapped at the buy, and people who bought the 1780 buy would have got pulled out at the pullback during early London. So we kind of said, look, hold fire, be patient, wait. We took some small scalp opportunities throughout the London session, early Asia, early US. We saw some movements. We looked at data, again highlighting the fact that we're not going to stick to just using charts and technical analysis, but we're going to look at liquidity, look at order flows. So as the day went along, we knew that there's major news items going on. We knew what was going on with the correlated markets, and then we first entered the first tag of 1786, I think it was. Took the ride down a little bit, took profits, told the guys to hold fire, that we will see a pullback back to that 1785 level. So you see that this is the first that we mentioned, the gap. You'll see that further on later on in the day. We mentioned some elements of how to manage your risk. Again, highlighting the price action. Somewhere down here, we will have highlighted that there's a pin, so that's just before the US started. That would have been a trap. The pin here, institutional order, would have for everyone to jump into sales. It's a good scalping opportunity, but it's not the major move. And then we mentioned that the price, then after that, the price went back up to close to high of the day, so that was around the 1780. So there we are. We kind of highlight again that look, the gaps there, the liquidity's there. Get ready for sell pressure in the next hour or so. Exactly, that's what's happened. So we flipped, and then we said, look, these are our targets throughout the day. Once we get that major move, that is what we're going to aim for today, and that's what exactly happened when we did it. So we got basically 2 rounds. We got like scalping money, and then after the second tag of 85, 86, which this is the key one here, 3:30. You'll see this is 3:30 London time. Get in around 85, 80, 88. Stop loss 1992. Aim for these profit targets, and that's it. That's where we kind of that's what we kind of led to. And as you see, we all hit all these profit targets. And I'll bring it back to the charts. This is now the chart for gold, and you'll see here, this is now an hourly chart. Bring it back there, hourly chart. This is the move. So Asia did this on the 1780 there, came back down. People were thinking that we were going to sell. No, pull it back up, squeeze all these guys out, come back. First we entered there, came back down, took the little ride. We knew that this is going to be an area of interest. There's some data in these kind of candles which we knew about. We exited this sales, waited for the price to go back up, got up just about here. We knew that this is now a high probability sell trade for the major move, and there we go, exactly down, all the way down. We rode that down. You'll see across, that is 1754. We exited at 1760, so there was a bit more room there, but 1760 was good enough. Yep, so yes, there was another good day. The 1st of August, our first day of the signal group. It was a great day. Green day again. We only made 2 small losses, but yesterday all green, and all our members are making their money back from the first day. So it's a really good, it's just evidence that we're not here, we're not like the other guys. We are just defying our moves. We're not using technical analysis by itself. We're using real market data, using real-time data. We don't just look at gold, we look at the correlated markets. We understand how they behave with one another. We understand macro macro news, events, and sentiment. And this is 2 days of trading, 2 profitable days. We're now on the 3rd of August, Wednesday, 3rd of August. I've just sent out a message to the group to look, hold fire. We see some data. We know where we're going to look at next. And, we are trading what we signal. We're not just there providing signals or not taking our risk ourselves. We share our trade entries and exits and performance at the end of each day. And now it's just waiting for the next setup. So if you're interested, if you want to know more, you can just hit our signal group, or if you want to have a bit of mentorship and see how we set up our charts, see how we analyze the information, and to interpret and start thinking like the big boys, then head over to Gold FX Trader Club, and have a look and join us and be part of a successful community of gold traders. Look forward to seeing some new faces. Cheers, bye.